What is going on, everybody? How are you? I know this is a lightning in the bottle video, but it was my first experience at lightning in the bottle, and I kept telling myself I'm gonna do an intro video at this festival. And as soon as I walk in, just sensory overload. Totally spaced. Didn't even get as many videos as I did. I'm going to apologize in advance that all the videos I did do are super short. It's just going to be a bunch of quick clips pretty much with a couple pictures at the end. But again, where I just moved, there's a festival called Lightning in a Bottle. It goes on every Memorial Day weekend, 4-day, 5-day festival, and it's right around the corner from my place, so I had to check it out. Great time, probably over 20,000 people there. Great time. I usually get nervous because I don't typically do good around crowds, and I'm real shy. It's hard for me to meet people and talk to people. Everyone there super friendly, awesome people, awesome people. It's just all positive. It's all about love and positivity, and everyone just doing their thing, getting along, being friendly, and it was awesome. That's my vibe. That's my energy. But first experience, kind of took it all in. Lots of great people there. Lots of beautiful women there. Beautiful women. And just everyone friendly. Friendly, and it was good times for sure. If you've never experienced it, I would recommend it. If you have experienced it, you know what I'm talking about. And I'm looking forward to next year. But I want to apologize for the quickness of these clips. Next year will definitely be better. This year was more of taking it all in for me and being like, ooh, let me do a quick video, or I'll show this real quick. Or it took a lot. They only have like 6 pictures, but it took a lot for me to go up to these people and ask if I could take their picture. That's out of my comfort zone. So even that was fun. So next year will be a lot better videos, a lot more pictures. But just wanted to share with you guys the little bit that I did get, and hope you enjoy it. Don't be too disappointed in me that they're not excellent videos and excellent pictures. But the last picture, the 2 girls, beautiful girls, were nice enough to spend the last day with me and help me have a good time. So I want to thank you ladies, Kaylee and Camille, if you watch this. And you guys made my first experience awesome, so thank you. And you got my number, so hit me up. But alright, I'm gonna try and splice this all together. Hopefully I got enough storage to do it. And yeah, it was awesome. Lightning in a Bottle 2017. Looking forward to 2018. You all might see me there if you show up. So without further ado, here we go. Lightning in a Bottle 2017.
LIB. There's all the shops. All the shops.
We're nowhere. Just look around.
Structures out. So cool. Very creative use of skills. We're getting the show.
Do you like my yellow drum set? Yeah. If you feel it in the air, join her. disappoints her. We are living in a world that will spoil her.
I mean, I don't think it's worth collecting. It's a plastic cup.
They got a learning kitchen. See that? Learning kitchen. You go over there to fucking learn how to cook. Your version of funny is not mine. But what?
The red one that says this would be like.
That's some skills right there.
It's my first time here. Backflip.
I'd break something if I tried it. LIB! Nightlife, LIB! Awesome time. LIB nightlife last night. This is just one section. Off the hook.
Check, one. Yep. Check, 1, 2. Yep. Check, 1, 2. Yep. Check, 1, 2.